I am participating in the Spring Porch Clean and Decorate Challenge that's being hosted by Marie over at Marie DIYs and Marilyn over at Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And what they have asked us to do is simply that, clean and decorate your porch. And the rules are, of course, mention their channel and be subscribed to their channel. And the next rule is to show a previous picture or video of your porch before you cleaned and decorated it. And you are to do some type of DIY that includes making some type of signage. And that's what I've done. And the background noise that you hear is someone blowing some leaves, so I'm outside, y'all. So this is it. This is my welcome sign, so stay tuned. I created using all Dollar Tree items. I have my tulips, my hyacinths, and I used one of those garden signs as the background and some burlap, and a sign I had left over from one of those Easter hangings that Dollar Tree have every year. So that's my wreath for the door. And I'll come on down, and this is my doormat that I greeted you with at the beginning of the video. And I'll insert the before pictures because I didn't make a video of my porch before I redecorated it because I got some new furniture. And this is my sign I created. I showed in the video how I created it. And let me talk to you about this sign. So originally this sign came from Hobby Lobby, and I purchased 2 of them. They were 66% off. Some of that moss from the Dollar Tree to make it seem like it's grass, and I got a butterfly that's landed on the grass, and I'm growing some petunias. So the same thing down here, but the only thing is a canary is sitting in the grass. So that's my signage. I got my cute little bicycle planter that I got from Ross last year for $14.99. I just put my faux succulent planter in here, and back here I think I'm gonna do a I'm gonna add some more soil and do a fairy garden. So stay tuned for that. And my new furniture, I always wanted a bench. I got me this wrought iron bench from Big Lots for $69.99. And if you've been watching my channel, you've seen my flower stand with all my fairy scenes. But if you're new, I'll go ahead and show it to you in this video. And this is just a woven planter that I had, and I just spray painted it black to go with everything. But I'll be planting some real plants. I'll be putting a real plant in that one. So this is my spring porch decor. I like the way it turned out. Everything all flows together. And I got my shrubs that I trimmed. I'm proud of that. This was my first year trimming them. My husband usually trim them, but since he was busy cutting the grass, I decided to trim them. So this is it. This is Miss V's Spring Porch Clean and Decor. Thank you, Marie and Marilyn, for hosting this challenge. It was fun. It was a much needed challenge. So I have linked these ladies' channels in the description box. And also later on I'll be doing a DIY on some cushions for that bench. You see all that pollen on that bench? Or y'all having trouble with pollen where you live? We are here in Alabama. So anyway, this is Miss V. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. I'm going to continue to show you love and encourage you. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Challenge, we have to create a sign, and this is what I'm gonna be using. This is a welcome sign from Hobby Lobby that I found on sale for 66% off. I'm going to flip it over and use the other side. I'll use that sign for Christmas time, and I'll just put a little wreath right there. So I'm gonna flip this over and do spring on this side. So I'm gonna leave it in its natural state. I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm just going to take that little clamp off right there. Then my plan is to take everything off and paint the word spring. I'm going to do it in this milk paint. This is a color blue. That color blue right there. And for the eye, I'm going to use this birdhouse. I'm going to take I'm going to take this off and this off. Then I'm going to attach my little butterfly. He's going to be flying into the birdhouse. So that's going to be the eye. Then I leave room down here for the N and the G. So I got to do it just right. N and the G. So let me go ahead and take this off and I'll be back. So far I didn't have enough room for the birdhouse. It was a little bit too big. So I just went ahead and wrote spring. And this brush was the perfect width. So that's what I have, and I don't want it to look perfect. There we go. And I'll just let this dry, and I'll be back with the final reveal.